What is up, guys? I hope y'all are doing well. I just got off work. It's a good day. I went ahead and ordered like a part that would slightly make my car a little faster. It's the basic thing that everyone does. Y'all have already read the title. Y'all know what it is. I went ahead and ordered me the cold air intake by Halltech. I went ahead and got the most expensive one, which is called the TKO Attack. It's slightly better. It's only $25 more, so might as well. After the last video, I decided I want a little bit more power, just a tiny bit more. And by the way, if you haven't seen that video, make sure you go check it out. It's a good video. Dang, what the heck? So before y'all run into the comments saying it's a waste of money, it doesn't do much, I'm not gonna get that much horsepower. I'm aware there's only like 10 to 15 horsepower is what they say. I'm aware that I'm not gonna gain that much horsepower, but since my car's not stock, a cam, long tube headers, full exhaust, I might as well just go the full bolt-on route and just finish the whole, you know, deal. Okay, this is nice. Okay, so got the intake, which that is way bigger than stock. I don't know why y'all say it's not worth getting it. A lot of people just like keeping their Corvette stock, it seems like, but you got this, which I forgot what that's called. And then you got the honeycomb disc and the coupling. I'm actually very excited because I had no idea this was coming today. I was hoping it was, but they weren't telling me that it was shipped yet. It said 2 to 3 days. I was kind of just waiting. I mean, I needed to make a video, but it is what it is. I got it today and I'm excited. So if you see this, the C5 cold air intake or stock intake is very restrictive. It's just a box. Now mine, the last owner went ahead and cut open like the inside, I guess to get more air. So this is my first time putting a cold air intake in a car. So I actually am very excited because yeah, I know it's like a simple mod and it's not like the most craziest thing ever, especially since all the stuff that's done to my car. I'm still excited because it's still my car and it's still like a modification that's gonna at least help it a tiny bit. Yes, I'm using this tiny screwdriver. I do not want to go in the shop and grab another one. Okay, so I went inside and installed, I put everything together inside. So instead of the map sensor being all the way up here, it's all the way back there. It gives you coupling if you pay for it. You have to relocate the map sensor, like I said, and then this thing right here that sticks out is what connects the actual like intake to it. But yeah, I'm excited. It's way bigger than the stock one, obviously. Also, don't comment. My engine bay is dirty. Everything about my car is dirty right now. I'm in Texas. It is constantly raining. It is constantly going from, you know, hot to rain to humid to everything. So I mean, I'm sweating right now and I was literally just inside a second ago. It's a never-ending battle here. So the driving, normally I actually cannot tell a difference, which, I mean, that makes sense. I actually do hear it a little bit. But I can't tell if it's picked up speed. Obviously I haven't done a pull yet or gassed it, anything like that. I'm just driving normally. It feels basically the same. Okay, I actually did not gas it that hard. I was in first gear, so I have a lot of torque. It was spinning like crazy, like very snappy. It's actually there's a big difference. Now part of that could be from the mass airflow sensor being up closer. It's gonna be a little snappier. I didn't go full out because I cannot tell if that's a cop behind me, but I can tell a difference. You can hear it just a tiny bit, but it's there. So really, I can't actually tell a difference like that much. It appears to be like smoother, maybe a little quicker. I haven't really gassed it. I'm gonna gas it in a second. You can hear it if you like listen for it. Like my girlfriend, like she can't hear it because she doesn't know what she's really like listening for it. All right, ready? Okay, I can't tell because my car's already fast, but I feel like it's smoother. What do you think?
I don't know.
You don't know? Does it feel smoother?
I don't know.
No? I feel like it feels linear. Everybody says it's like the placebo effect. It does feel like a placebo. It feels a little bit snappier. Like if I'm like that, it feels like oh shoot. It feels a little snappier. Now these cars probably think I'm crazy behind me. But yeah, it just honestly just feels a little bit snappier, smoother, maybe a little faster. I wasn't expecting that much. It's more like, oh, I just kind of want to get a cold air intake. But I mean, if I would rate it out of 10, I would say like a 6 or 7 out of 10, because like because like that's a grandma, the MR2, or no, that's an Eclipse. I saw that. I thought I saw MR2. Okay, what I was saying, it's like what I was saying. It's a it's pretty average. It's not like something you have to have, but I already have like all the other bolt-on things, so I might as well like get the full like package. Would I buy it again? Probably. It was between this and some other mods. I'm not gonna say, because if I get them soon, I want like it to be a surprise for y'all. There's a lot of cars behind me, so. But yeah, it's pretty cool. Yeah, it's clean. What's in there right now? Go! No, you! Okay. I lied about saying the car doesn't feel that much faster. The car feels way more torquier and, like I said, linear. Like, I feel like it's not bogging at any moment, because since it's cam, normally like the lower RPMs aren't as like there. But my car is chopping hard. What I was trying to say is the car feels way more torquier and linear. And I feel like it's like running cleaner, like it's not like bogging. Like I said, like since the car is cam, normally in the lower RPMs you have a little less torque, and I'm not really feeling that right now. It's not necessarily that you're going to gain a lot of horsepower, it just feels nicer, it feels a little bit quicker. But yeah, if you made it to the end of the video, hope y'all enjoy, hope y'all like, and just remember, enjoy what you have while you have it. If you have a car or you want a car, enjoy it how it is in the present, because if you don't enjoy something in the present, you'll never enjoy anything in the future. You're not in competition with anyone but yourself, and that's how it should be, because you shouldn't be worrying about other people's opinions and trying to please others. You should instead just enjoy what you have while you have it. Now, I probably just made no sense, but I hope y'all get what I'm trying to say. Just hope y'all liked and enjoyed, and I'll see y'all next time. Goodbye.